Working a 9 to 5 job and running multiple online businesses is not for the weak, and also doing content creation. Come spend Thursday and Friday night with me restocking our mini cheesecakes for Saturday's delivery. For Saturday's delivery, I normally take the orders between Monday to Wednesday because I want to get all the orders in so I can know the amount of rum and raisin cheesecake to make, Biscoff, and also strawberry. And what I also usually do is I always make excess so that, because sometimes, many a times customers purchase like between Thursday and Friday, and even on the day of delivery, I get people reaching out to me and say they want cheesecake. So I always ensure that I stock extras. So if you are interested in any of our cheesecakes we have available in rum and raisin, Biscoff, and strawberry, you can send us a message on this number right here, or you can also click the link in the bio to our website and you can place your orders online. We usually deliver on a Saturday, so order yours today.